Day 8. Restoring. Helene got us pretty good. I was gonna put that paper down to protect the floors, and then I realized I need to dry the floors out more. So I picked the paper back up. Duh. So we're still drying the floors out. Move the paper around. Got all the fans kicking. Create a nice circulation through here. So we working on it. We're working on it. Gonna come back tomorrow and get all these nails out, start getting everything prepped for putting drywall back in. Follow FishHuge. Let's go.